Once upon a time, mothers and fathers trusted the earth for ingredients to care for their babies. The Bushmen of the Khoisan tribe of South Africa have used rooibos for centuries to soothe and care for their little ones. The queens of Egypt have long prized the healing properties of aloe vera. Their little ones, including baby Cleo, have reaped its benefits. The people of the Mediterranean have grown olives for thousands of years and enjoyed its many nourishing uses. Everybody was happy in Earth's care until one day. The Baker Wizard and Wicked Witch were busy brewing their synthetic baby care concoction. They called it Rubbish Bubbish, and it flew off the shelves. Parents trusted them. Little did they know that the Big Wizard and Wicked Witch were motivated only by greed, and not our children's safety. Thankfully, change was being driven by education. People were tired of being taken for granted. They demanded a change. Far away, change was working hard to greet the world. Oh, the sweet face of change. Nature Certified. Nature Certified's destiny is to serve children with its safe, certified organic and all-natural personal care products. But wait, what of the Big Wizard and Wicked Witch? A fitting punishment or redemption? That only you get to decide. Go to naturecertified.com to choose a fitting end and try our made from the heart products. Nature Certified.